Check this out. Jeep YJ, 1992. When was the last time you ever seen a windshield laid down on one of these? All the bolts came out. The hinges aren't froze solid. Down it goes. How about that? So the windshield seal was bad on the bottom of this Jeep YJ windshield, so there's just been moisture sitting in here. These screws aren't going to come out without a lot of fight and fuss, and it's going to break. So basically we're just going to put some rust reformer on here. But first we'll take wire brush to it. Get loose what we can. We'll vac that up. Like I said, all we're trying to do is preserve. And I just like to use this Rust-Oleum rust reformer. If you watch some reviews and stuff, this stuff usually scores pretty good compared to other things, and it's affordable. It's like $7 a can. I hope I've got enough left. I put some cardboard on the hood so I don't get any of this on the hood, but basically I just want to spray right down through there. Like I said, this is just a preventative, or it's like I said, this is just to try to kind of hold it back from rusting anymore. The Jeep's in pretty good shape. It sat a lot. It was down south, so it doesn't have a lot of rust like it would up here in the Midwest. So just trying to preserve it. Keep it from getting any worse. I don't care about that on the back of the dash. You're not going to see that when the windshield's up. I just don't want this to rust any more than it already has. So we're just going to really lay it on there pretty thick. Let it dry. And then we'll put some anti-seize on all the bolts so we can fold the windshield back up. There's a spider nest. So yeah, just trying to keep it from rotting any more than what it already has.